Everybody, it's me, Prancer. Yo boy, yo homie, aka Milk and Cookies. What's up? Yo, my name is Big Bird, and I'm a bird. What's up, peeps?
What about me? Yeah, it's me, a rabbit puppet. Which I still have no idea why I exist.
And today we are going to be doing, we're going to be playing, store today. Yeah, we're going to be playing store. So, here we go.
What do you mean? That's boring.
No, I'm going to be the cashier.
Okay.
You're going to buy some chips.
All right.
Okay. And 3, 2, 1, start. And we're rolling. Lights, camera, action. Okay. La 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 la. Oh, here comes my first customer.
Hello, I am a viable customer.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Do you have a twisted thingy? You have twisted chips?
Oh, yes, let me go get them. I'll be right back.
Don't record my dad.
Here you go.
Don't record my dad, because he doesn't like right there.
Here's your chips.
Yay!
And here's your, my money. I need my money, please. Hey, you stole my... That's it. I'm the cops. You're under arrest.
I don't care.
You're under arrest.
I don't care.
Surprise! Ow!
Your antlers taste good.
Don't eat my antlers. Help me. Help me. Okay.
No, stay down.
That's all for this video. Goodbye.
No!
And now a word from our sponsors.
Wait, can I get an episode all about me?
Yeah, but first Mr. Bunny Rabbit's gonna tell you the sponsors.
Alright, our sponsors is Bala Beats people. Beats.
And also our sponsors is SML and SBL and SpongeBob, Sesame Street, Arthur, and also Wildcrats.
And me!
And Mr. Rabbit and me and
now,
me.
La. It's Big Bird. He is so thick. Da-na-na-na. No,
Bye.
Stay down. You're descending to hell. You're descending down.
Oh yeah, I need to tell you the funding.
No.
Funding for Big Bird, Mr. Bunny, and Prancer is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by the U.S. Department of Education.
Thank you.
And by contributions to your local YouTube station from viewers like you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.